All right, now we're going to sort of peel back on what we've done and where we're going next. We're going to talk a little bit about Web3, and then we're going to talk a little bit about cryptocurrency. So we talked about Web3, Web2, etc. before. The important point here is that in Web3, it is decentralized, meaning you don't have to deal with Apple, who's taking 30%, or YouTube, which is taking 50% or so, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram taking close to 100%. And just to get your mind around what's happening when these corporate guys are controlling things, Spotify requires more than 300,000 plays for a musician to be paid $1,000. Yeah, that's 1/3 of a penny per play. Their 11 million artists earn, on average, $636. When Web3 infrastructure comes into place, you'll pay your favorite artists a reasonable fee to stream their albums directly with less than 1% overhead. If you want to see what's really going on in the Web3 investments, take a look at a16z.com. They are, I think they've got over $4.5 billion invested in Web.3, and you can see the many, many different companies that they are investing in. I trust them more than anyone else. Good indicator of their expertise is that they said no to FTX. If you've heard of the big crash and burn that just happened late November, it was FTX. A16Z said no thanks. As a side note, Elon Musk said FTX did not pass his BS detector. So, in any case, this creator to consumer direct payments are going to exceed 99%. Okay, so that's where we are. And as a note as to where NFTs are really, really big already, it's in gaming. Gaming is now a $220 billion industry. Now compare that to the film industry. I'm talking Hollywood. Talking all these different creators that are in the film business, only $50 billion. So already we're getting in-game currencies, virtual land, asset factories, scholarships, all via NFTs. Just buying virtual land in these games will exceed $2 billion this year, in real dollars, spent by gamers who want to get ahead. So, short term, NFT infrastructure improvements are going to require this much easier access. You saw what you had to go through at Coinbase to get an account established, showing your IDs, etc. All of this is going to end up being done much easier. Then we're going to turn to identity control. ID cards, credit scores, etc. are going to be done with NFTs, and they will be used to identify and exchange goods and services worldwide without banks or corporate involvement. It'll be peer-to-peer, person, buyer to creator, and vice versa. So those sites will end up being similar to what you see today in Etsy and Spotify, where you can buy and sell directly to people around the world.